if you have a parking lot, for example, a restaurant, a warehouse business, we can do drone video, drone photo of your parking lot, so that will help you with, one, for a restaurant, during rush hour, you need to know your flow, and you need to know, are there any efficiencies that you can implement. And before you do that, you could do a drone video, like a 1 hour hovering over your restaurant for the drive-through, and see if there's any improvements and what changes you might need to make. Just from an aerial observation, you might see something that you're not able to visualize or analyze standing in the parking lot at a rush hour. That would work for any retail parking lot study. If you're trying to make any changes, rearrangements with either flow or painting, landscaping, we can help you with aerial photos and aerial videos. And we're doing 2 of those today. We did one for a restaurant, and we're doing one for a landscaper today, where they can see the project from an aerial perspective and then make changes based on what they're seeing. So let us know if we can help.